What's up, girlies? I'm back. Today I am doing maintenance on my sew-in. I do have in raw bundles, raw Indian hair bundles, and I love them, but it is time for a wash. So just starting out in the shower, making sure to give it a really good rinse before we apply any soap. And then for my shampoo, I'm going in and just kind of working it all over. Really no rhythm or rhyme to what I'm doing, just trying to get it in there. I'm using Hiiiii. I love this shampoo. I've been using it for about a year. It works fine. After our shampoo, we are on to conditioner. This deep conditioner, I think it's a mask actually. I've been using it forever and I love it. I use it on the kids' hair, my extensions, my natural hair. It's not going anywhere. Up next, I'm just spraying some leave-in conditioner that is water-based, and then to bed to let it dry. So this is the next day with the hair all dry. And let's get into the texture. Give it up for the texture. So pretty. I love the natural waves of this hair, but for this style, I am deciding to go ahead and straighten my hair. So at this point, the hair was around 90% dry, and then I just finished the job with my blow dryer. And it also starts the silkening process, or I guess the straightening process. So here you see me using a round brush, just gripping at the roots really good, just to make sure that everything is nice and straight. And then here is one section all blown out. You literally cannot tell me nothing about this hair. Like, it's so nice. so nice and natural. So at the end, I did unbraid my leave out, and I'm just blowing that out now, laying it in the direction that it's ultimately going to stay. And look at these extensions. It's like you can't even tell where my hair starts, where the extensions start, any of that, especially in its blow dried state. It's just so pretty and a perfect match. On to straightening, just taking really small sections. I do believe my iron is on 450. It's always on 450 if I'm being honest, but I do only do one pass of the hair. So taking my time doing this, and again, just really small sections because you wanna only do one pass. Once it's all straightened, I am adding some flat iron curls. And I don't know, y'all, I really thought I was doing a bomb job with these curls, but seeing it now in playback, I could do better. So that's gonna be something for me to work on. I mean, for this style, you'll see the end result in just a minute. It worked totally fine, but I think there could be a little more, a little more method to my curls, because I'm just kind of going for it. I will say I like a lived-in look, but I don't know, something is missing about my curls, so we'll see. I'm gonna show y'all at the end, and y'all let me know what I should fix, if anything at all. So I just go in and I do my whole entire head, still taking those small sections. And here is the end result. I did go back and kind of add some edge control to my edges, just where there are BDBs. I am postpartum, so yeah, I have a lot of new hair growing in, but this is the end result, guys. Let me know what you think.